Quick and easy snacks, 5 ingredients or less. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're all about those quick and easy snack attacks that won't have you spending hours in the kitchen. We're talking 5 ingredients or less, guys, because who has time for complicated recipes when you're hit with a craving? Whether you're looking for something sweet, savory, or somewhere in between, I've got you covered. These snacks are perfect for busy weekdays, impromptu study sessions, or those lazy weekends when you just want a little something to munch on. Stick around to the very end because I've got a bonus snack that's so simple you won't believe it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Let's kick things off with a classic, the fruit and yogurt parfait. This one's a no-brainer, guys. Grab your favorite yogurt. I'm going with Greek yogurt for that extra protein boost, and layer it in a glass or bowl with granola and your fruit of choice. I'm using berries today because they're in season, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand. Sliced bananas, chopped peaches, or even a dollop of applesauce would be delicious. The key here is to layer. This not only makes your parfait look super appetizing, but also ensures you get a little bit of everything in each bite. And the best part? You can prep these parfaits ahead of time. Just layer everything in a jar, screw on the lid, and stash it in the fridge for a grab-and-go breakfast or snack. See? Told you it was easy. This fruit and yogurt parfait is proof that healthy snacks don't have to be boring. Now, who's ready for round 2? All right, folks. For our next trick, we're going even simpler. You only need 2 ingredients for these bad boys, and I bet you can guess what they are. Peanut butter and bananas. Yep, that's it. Slice up a banana, slather on some peanut butter or any nut butter you prefer, and you're good to go. But wait, there's more. You can take these peanut butter banana bites to the next level by dipping them in melted chocolate, sprinkling on some chopped nuts, or even drizzling them with honey. Feeling adventurous? Try freezing them for a cool and refreshing treat. Trust me, these frozen peanut butter banana bites are a game changer. The possibilities are endless with this 2-ingredient wonder. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite toppings are. Next up, we're tackling a millennial favorite, avocado toast. This one's so easy, it almost feels unfair calling it a recipe. Start by toasting a slice of your favorite bread. I'm using whole wheat for that extra fiber until it's nice and golden brown. While the bread is still warm, mash up half an avocado and spread it evenly over the toast. Now for the fun part, the toppings. A sprinkle of salt and pepper is a must, but feel free to get creative. A drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, or a pinch of red pepper flakes can really elevate this simple snack. And if you're feeling fancy, top it off with a fried egg for a protein-packed meal. Avocado toast. It's quick, it's easy, and it's totally Instagram-worthy. What's not to love? Chapter 4, Cheese and Crackers. The OG snack pack. Let's be real, sometimes you just can't beat the classics. And when it comes to snack time, nothing screams classic quite like cheese and crackers. This one's about as straightforward as it gets. Grab your favorite cheese cheddar, Swiss, pepper jack, the world is your oyster, and pair it with your cracker of choice. I'm partial to buttery crackers, but feel free to go for something with a little more crunch, like wheat crackers or even rice cakes. To add a touch of sweetness and acidity, throw in some grapes or apple slices, and there you have it, a quick, easy, and satisfying snack that's perfect for any occasion. It's no wonder cheese and crackers have stood the test of time. Chapter 5. Veggie sticks with hummus. Dip your way to a healthier snack. All right, let's get some veggies in the mix, shall we? But not just any veggies. We're talking veggie sticks with hummus. The ultimate snack for dipping. Chop up your favorite vegetables, carrots, celery, cucumbers, and bell peppers are all great options into sticks that are easy to dunk. Now for the star of the show, the hummus. You can find pre-made hummus at most grocery stores, but if you're feeling ambitious, it's surprisingly easy to make your own. Simply blend together a can of chickpeas, some tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil until smooth and creamy. And there you have it. A healthy, flavorful, and totally dippable snack that's perfect for satisfying those afternoon cravings. Chapter 6, Apple Slices with Almond Butter, a match made in snack heaven. Calling all nut butter lovers, this one's for you. We're keeping it simple with apple slices and almond butter, a classic combination that's both delicious and nutritious. Slice up your favorite apple. I'm using a Honeycrisp today for its perfect balance of sweet and tart, and spread each slice with a generous dollop of almond butter. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, sprinkle on some granola, chopped nuts, or even a few chocolate chips. And if you're feeling really indulgent, try drizzling on a little bit of honey or maple syrup. This snack is so good you won't believe it's actually good for you. Chapter 7. It's movie night and you're craving something salty and crunchy. But hold on, before you reach for that bag of chips, let me introduce you to a healthier alternative: popcorn. Yep, that's right, popcorn is a whole grain that's naturally low in calories and fat, making it the perfect guilt-free snack. Simply pop a bag of microwave popcorn or make your own on the stovetop with a little bit of oil and kernels. Once the popcorn is popped, drizzle it with melted butter, sprinkle on some salt and you're good to go, but don't stop there. Get creative with your toppings. Try adding nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, chili powder for a kick, or even cinnamon and sugar for a sweet treat. With popcorn, the possibilities are endless. Chapter 8. Smoothie. Blend your way to a healthier you. Short on time, but still craving something healthy and delicious? Look no further than the humble smoothie. This grab-and-go snack is packed with nutrients and can be customized to your liking. Start by adding your favorite fruits and vegetables to a blender. I'm using a combination of spinach, banana, and berries today, but feel free to experiment with your favorites. Next, add a liquid base such as almond milk, coconut water, or even just plain water. For an extra boost of protein, add a scoop of protein powder, Greek yogurt, or nut butter. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy, and enjoy immediately. See, I told you it was easy. Chapter 9. Trail Mix, the ultimate on-the-go snack. Whether you're hitting the trails or just running errands around town, trail mix is the perfect snack to keep you fueled and satisfied. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to make your own custom blend. Start by choosing your favorite nuts and seeds. I like to use a mix of almonds, cashews, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. Next, add some dried fruit for sweetness and chewiness. Cranberries, raisins, chopped apricots, and mango slices are all great options. For an extra boost of energy, add a handful of chocolate chips or yogurt-covered pretzels. Mix everything together in a large bowl and store it in an airtight container for on-the-go snacking. With Trail Mix, you can customize your snack to your liking and ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients in every bite. Chapter 10. Rice cake with Nutella, a guilty pleasure made healthy-ish. Okay, let's be real, sometimes you just need a little something sweet to satisfy that craving. But that doesn't mean you have to resort to unhealthy, processed snacks. Enter the rice cake with Nutella, a surprisingly satisfying and relatively guilt-free treat. Simply spread a generous amount of Nutella on top of a plain rice cake and enjoy. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, try adding sliced bananas, strawberries, or even a sprinkle of chopped nuts. And if you're feeling really decadent, drizzle on a little bit of melted chocolate or caramel. This simple snack is proof that you can indulge your sweet tooth without sacrificing your health goals. Outro snack attack solved. And there you have it, folks. 10 quick and easy snacks that you can whip up in no time. I hope this video has inspired you to get creative in the kitchen and try out some new snack recipes. Let me know in the comments below which one of these snacks you're most excited to try, and be sure to share your own favorite quick and easy snack ideas. I'm always looking for new inspiration. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Until next time, happy snacking.